I'm Jason from Play the Game, Read the Story. We're at Tabletop Day at Destiny USA today.
Right. And how many years has this been so far?
This is our second year here at Destiny doing this, but Tabletop Day has been going for, I think, 4 now.
Yeah.
Yep, and it's been growing every year.
Yeah. How are you happy with the turnout this year?
It's great so far. People came earlier than usual. We've filled the tables pretty well. There's a ton of people playing games. We've got some tournaments going on.
That's going down. The whole thing's going. Just let it go. That is going all the way down. That is going all the way.
I like Roll for the Galaxy, Terraforming Mars.
Monopoly, number 1.
You're lying.
Wearing Monopoly socks, not lying.
Get a tabletop here.
Oh man, so the game that got me into modern gaming is Arkham Horror. Kind of odd, I know, usually it's Carcassonne or something like Catan, but I walked into my neighbor's kitchen and they had this game up on the table with side tables of cards, and I just fell in love with it. I love the story, I love the chaos that happens and the bad stuff that happens to you.
Like, what got you into it?
I wouldn't say Betrayal, House on the Hill, and Dead of Winter.
What are we doing?
Well, we're at International Tabletop Day, and we are running charity specifically.
What's International Tabletop Day?
Everybody gets together and plays games, and it's super great.
And you're raising money for?
For Extra Life, specifically Upstate Golisano Children's Hospital.
Wait, we're raising money?
No, not for you.
Oh.
Tell us about some of the charity boxes we got going on over there.
There's a whole bunch of different raffles. The tickets are $1. They're going to be pulled later today. I do not remember the time, unfortunately. But there's some awesome ones. There's a fantastic Dungeons & Dragons bundle for everybody that plays that. It includes a copy of D&D Beyond, which is a $500 value.
Oh my goodness.
For their digital tools.
Yeah.
There's a huge Cards Against Humanity one. There's different game companies have donated different stuff to us for the charity raffles.
Right.
There's all sorts of cool stuff over there.
Tell us about your game.
My game here, Lotus Falls, is the arena-style elemental combat game where you're playing a 2 to 5 player, combating with players and opening up chests, getting magics and weapons, and using personal skills to get the upper hand.
Nerd's gonna nerd. Keep doing the thing with us.
Thank them.
What?
Thank you to the community for continuing to support our efforts here for Extra Life and the Upstate Golisano Children's Hospital.
I mean, yeah.
See?
Your 4th year doing this?
Yep.
All right, do you want to just say thank you to everybody?
Oh my God, yes. Thank you, all the people, for coming out every year, for supporting us. For playing games and interacting with each other, and it's great to see people come and try all this and do everything.
One more time, what's your name and where are we?
My name is Jason. I'm the manager of Play the Game, Read the Story, and we're in the Canyon area at Destiny USA.
All right, thank you, man.
Yeah, thank you.